Hi everybody, this is Bill Kilpatrick. I teach at Haines City High School and I do dual enrollment college classes at Southeastern University. Today we're going to talk about criminal liability. You're probably familiar with civil liability. You know, if somebody misbehaves or they act below some standard of care in our society, we can always sue them. When you sue somebody, you're a plaintiff, and they're the defendant, and what you're seeking is liability. You're seeking something from the court that says, yep, they owe you, and orders them to pay damages or something of that nature. And we see a lot of that in society. We see breaches of contract, like if you call up a pizza place and you order a pizza and they take money out of your card, but they never delivered the pizza, they're civilly liable. Most of the time we work it out because who wants to have a lawsuit over a pizza? But if they don't, you could always take them to court to get your money back because you paid for a pizza but you didn't get one. That's a breach of contract. There are also cases where people act carelessly. Their behavior falls below the standard of care we expect of other people in our society, and as a result, you end up incurring a cost or some kind of damages. You're driving along and somebody runs into your car. You got to fix a bumper. It's going to cost some money. It's their fault. So you take them to court. If you can't work it out, you take them to court and you're saying, Judge, they should be found at fault. Well, being found at fault is liability. And it triggers, in a civil case, it triggers damages. Now that we got that out of the way, we think about criminal cases. These are not private cases. These are instances where somebody broke a law, hurt somebody, and society actually cares. Everybody cares. In that case, it's a public wrong. You push an old lady down on the ground and you run away with her purse, everybody cares, not just the little old lady. Could the little old lady sue you in civil court? Of course she could. But we're not going to wait for that. If you're out there pushing old ladies down and running off with their purse, we're going to come after you. And we're not going to be concerned about the cost of the purse or what was in it. We want to deal with you. We're going to punish you. We're going to send you to jail. We might send you to prison. You're definitely going to have to pay the old lady restitution, all those things. So there is a system, just like we have a civil system, there's a criminal system. And it's also about judgment. And it's a public system. So the government brings those cases and they have to decide whether you're at fault. Did you break the law? And if so, you're criminally liable. And so I want you to think of the term blameworthiness. Are you at fault? Do you deserve to be blamed? Do you deserve to be punished? Whether that's jail or prison or a whopping fine that'll make your eyes, bug out. If so, you're criminally liable. And we're going to look at that in this unit.